Welcome to this episode of Click to Deploy, a series where we show you how easy it is to deploy solutions from the Google Cloud Marketplace. In this episode, we'll be reviewing how to set up NetApp Cloud Volumes ONTAP via the Cloud Marketplace. NetApp Cloud Volumes ONTAP in Google Cloud is a data management layer that runs natively on Google Cloud infrastructure, enabling enhanced control, data protection, mobility, and agility for business application data. Let's start by searching for Cloud Volumes ONTAP in the Google Cloud Marketplace. For this demo, we'll choose the solution Cloud Manager for Cloud Volumes ONTAP. The landing page will display information about the solution, pricing, documentation, and support. To use Cloud Manager and Cloud Volumes ONTAP, Google Cloud users need to subscribe to Cloud Volumes ONTAP via the Google Cloud Marketplace. Let's click the subscribe button to launch the solution. Start first by choosing a billing account and agreeing to the terms below, which are terms about subscription fee billed monthly and canceling the service. After choosing the subscribe button, you will see a notification to register with NetApp Inc. Before we visit NetApp, let's make sure to create a Google Cloud account with the necessary Identity and Access Management (IAM) policy. This will make it possible to use Cloud Manager with your Google Cloud environment. From this NetApp website, download the connector deployment policy for GCP and the Cloud Manager policy for GCP. Let's create a custom role for the connector deployment and assign it to a user. In the Cloud Shell, upload the Setup as Service version GCP YAML permission file you previously downloaded. For the Cloud Shell, use this command to create a custom role for the file at the organization or project level. We'll make this role at the project level. The role created using the permission file will be titled NetApp Cloud Central. To grant the new role created to the relevant user, you can run the gcloud add IAM policy binding command. Next, let's set up a service account that will be associated with the connector VM. Start by uploading policy for Cloud Manager version gcp.yaml permission file to the Cloud Shell. Then go to IAM and admin. Navigate to service account. Then create a new service account. For service account name, choose NetApp Connector. For role, choose NetApp Cloud Central. Now we have a Google Cloud user with the permissions required to create a connector from Cloud Manager, as well as a service account for the connector VM. Let's enable Cloud API needed for Cloud Volumes. Go to API and Service tab. We'll need to make sure the following APIs are enabled: Cloud Deployment Manager v2 API, Cloud Logging API, Cloud Resource Manager API, Compute Engine API, Identity and Access Management IAM API. Now let's deploy NetApp. First, go to the Marketplace Cloud Volumes landing page and choose Manage on Provider. Create an account or log into your existing account. Next, we'll navigate to Fabric View and choose Cloud Volumes ONTAP. Go to Cloud Manager. Let's add our first working environment. First, we'll choose Google Cloud Platform. Next, we'll choose Cloud Volumes ONTAP. Now let's create a connector, which allows Cloud Manager to manage resources and processes within your public cloud environment. We'll choose Google Cloud Platform. We will need to provide permissions to connect our Google account with Cloud Manager. We'll set our connector instance name. Let's use Test Connector. We'll set the project. It will be connected to Test CTD. We'll set service account, NetApp Connector. Next, we'll set the location details. I'll keep the defaults. Then we'll set the connectivity to public IP enable. And finally, for the firewall policy, choose My IP. Now that we filled out all of this additional information, make sure to review the details. As you can see, the connector was successfully created. Congratulations on successfully deploying a NetApp Cloud Volumes ONTAP instance. You now have a platform to simplify the management of your workloads on Google Cloud. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and hit the like button below. We encourage you to check out the Google Cloud Marketplace and deploy the solution on your own. Thanks for watching.